going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage. Today I'll be making a Zippo video. So if you're into that, stay tuned and check it out. This is a newly completed series. Well, they're not really new, but it's newly completed for me. It's the set of 5 in this series. This is the 2000 Millennium Edition Zippos. There's 5 of them total. They come in this little fancy tin here. Check the outside out real quick. Zippo, the official lighter of the new Millennium Zippo. Kind of just repeats itself there. Check out the bottom. This is one of the 5 here. This is the guaranteed to work. Pretty cool. And you can see how you open it there. You push in on the top where it says enter, and it kind of makes a loud pop. And it opens up and you can take the lid off. So we'll go ahead and do that. There you go. Kind of neat. Boom. You can check it out. It's still got the orange sticker on the back and the price tag on the front on all of them. And this one is the one thing not controlled by computers and guaranteed to work on January 1st, 2000. Nice blue color there. We'll take it out. Won't be able to open it up, but check it out. Nice. Next up we have the year 2K problem solved. Go ahead and open it up. There we go. Price tag on the front still. Sticker on the back. Take it out. Focus. Pretty cool. And we need to focus. Come on, man. Sorry about that. And to close it, you just simply squeeze in on the sides. Boom. Next, we have, what do we have here? Get Over It. I think this one might be my favorite. Open it up. Nice burnt orange type of color. The century is gone. Get over it. Got the sticker on the front and back. Never used. Pretty cool. Whoop. And next up we have, I keep getting these mixed up. Here we go. Start something new. This one's kind of odd. If you don't know what that is, them are little sperm cells. And sticker on the front, sticker on the back as well. I'll admit, I did not even know what was on there when I bought this until I got it. I thought it was just some kind of balloons or something, like a celebration, like New Year's, but no, that's what that is. And I have the cardboard sleeve for this one, and another one as well. I don't have the other 3 for the rest, but this is the first one I got in this series, and then I started looking for the other ones. So we got a complete set of 5. There we go. Last one. Get back to work. Here it goes. Focus. Might be my second favorite here. January 3rd, 2000. Get back to work. Price tag on the front. Sticker on the back. Great condition. All of them are. Alright. Well, that completes that. Go ahead and lay them all out here. take a look at them one more time. I think that's going to wrap up the video this time. If you're into Zippos, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you own any of these lighters? Do you want to see more videos about Zippos? Because I have a large collection of them. A lot of cool ones. So we'll get a view at them one more time before I put them away. All mint condition. So hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to be notified from my next upload. It'll probably be a Zippo video. Hopefully maybe I'll get the Zippos I sent in for repair back. That would be cool. So thanks for watching. Dalton's Garage signing out until next time.